Hello, our wonderful subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. Friends and viewers, we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends, stay with us and see our latest dresses designs and stylish videos. My dear friends, today I am gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of pleated loose flapper styles palazzo pants for lovely women. These palazzo pants designs and looks are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. And friends, these palazzo pants are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely viewers, a humble request to all of my lovely friends to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, these styles are not only fits with your style but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. Friends, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. Discover the latest dresses designs on our channel and make your day more beautiful. My dear friends, whether you want to wear one for a night out on the town, during a shopping spree with friends, or on a hot first date, these stunning designs are a one-size-fits-all solution for your fashion needs. And in the meantime, you own one of these stunning and gorgeous designs and you will love wearing it. So my dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, there is a small red button. Yes, you got it right. The very subscribe button is always there for you to click, and if you are my subscriber, then I am expecting a like or comment from you. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all guys.